Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Depop balance to your bank account. First, make sure your bank account is added correctly in Depop payments. This is very important because Depop can only send payouts to a verified bank account. Next, you need to verify your identity by uploading your ID. You also need to be over 18 to receive payouts through Depop payments. Until your account is verified and your bank account is connected, your sales money will stay in your Depop balance. It will not be paid out yet. Once everything is set up, Depop will process your payouts automatically and send the money to your linked bank account. You can check your next payout date by going to My Depop, then the menu, and then Depop balance. In many cases, the payout is sent a short time after the order is marked as delivered and the payout is processed. If your money still has not arrived after several business days, you should contact Depop support for help. That is how you transfer your Depop balance to your bank account. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tutorials.